Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to make an inverter using CMOS technology. So to start with, let us go to the new schematic. Since in the CMOS technology we have already designed how to make NAND and NOR gate, so using NAND gate let us design an inverter. So first of all we'll design NAND gate using CMOS technology. For designing a NAND gate using CMOS technology, we'll require two PMOS and two NMOS. For NAND, we'll place two PMOS in parallel and then we'll place two NMOS in series like this. Okay. Now let us provide the connections, and like this we will provide the connections. So this is how my NAND gate has been made. Now I will require two voltages. Why two voltages? First voltage will be the power supply, that is VDD, and V2 is the input voltage, means we will see the inverted form of this input voltage as an output. So I'll provide the same connections to the gate terminals of both PMOS as well as of both the NMOS. Like this. Okay, and then we'll provide the power supply, and finally we'll add the grounds. Now let us provide VDD as 5, and in input I'll take the input as the pulse input. So in the pulse input, let us take that the V initial is 0, V on is 5. I don't want any delay, so I'll take it as 0. Let rise time be 5 nanoseconds, fall time be 5 nanoseconds, and let us take T on as 20 milli and period be 40 milli, means double of T on. T on means the time for which the pulse will remain high, and T period means high and low. Okay, the complete cycle, and click on OK. So let us take a wire out from here, which will be my V out. At last let us edit the simulation command. Okay, so let us do the transient analysis. For my period is 40 milliseconds, so let us do the transient analysis for 160 milliseconds, means double of the period, and run it. Tile the window vertically and let us take two plot planes. So in the first plot plane I'll take the input voltage, this is my input voltage, and this second plot plane will have the output voltage. So you can see that in my inverter, this is my inverter NAND gate, I am getting the same as the waveforms as we expect for an inverter to be. When the input is high, the output is low, and when the input is low, the output is high. So this is how you can make an inverter using NAND gate in CMOS technology. Suppose you want to make the same inverter using NOR gate in CMOS technology, then how you will do it? Simply remove these PMOS from parallel and add them in series, and remove these NMOS from series and add them in parallel. So let us try to simulate it. So to make NOR gate, I'll take two PMOS and connect them in series, and then I'll take two NMOS and connect them in parallel. Okay, then I'll require the same thing, means two voltages. First voltage will be the power supply, and the second voltage will be the input voltage. Finally provide the connections like this. So this is how I have made a NOR gate using CMOS technology. Now to make it act as an inverter, we will require the same input voltage at the gate terminals of both PMOS and of both NMOS. So the same input voltage will go to the gate of PMOS M1 and M2, and to the gates of NMOS M4 and M3, like this. Then I'll take the output from here. Okay, let's connect this wire to it. Yes, now it's fine. Let us take the input voltage, means VDD, sorry, let's take VDD as 5 volts, and input voltage I'll take again as the pulse input, and the same values I'll take. I don't want any delay. Rise time be 5 nano, fall time is 5 nano, 20 milli is T on, and 40 milli is T period. Okay, last thing is that let us provide the grounds like this. So all the connections are done. Let us try edit the simulation command. Stop time, once again I'll take as 160 milli and click on OK. Let us try to run it. I'll take two plot planes again. In the first plot plane, this is the input voltage. The second plot plane will have the output voltage. So you can see that this is how we have made an inverter using NOR gate in CMOS technology. For high input, my output is low, and for low input, the output is high. So now if you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.